I was always fascinated also as a kid by RIOT X. RIOT is like the pre-grade of revolution, but in the RIOT you don't achieve so big result as in the revolution. And I don't know exactly because I am some kind of, so I'm a democratic person and I deal with compromises. But this fascination I wanted to excerpt from reality and use it. So like I call it cultural ready-made. So I took the things which I had a connection with and I applied it to my furniture, to my objects. It's just like to take something from everyday life and bring it in the exhibition space. The idea behind RIOT design is pretty complex. Actually, the idea comes from some kind of object addition, the fashion of violence, and then the value of object in the market. I wanted to put everything together, starting from a personal necessity, but to enlarge this necessity to like general issues, like economy or like consumerism, or like the innate sense that we have to act when an act of violence is done.
The exhibition takes place in the former Tresor of Bank Austria. Shortly speaking, you could say that it's the stomach of a bank which Pablo infiltrates with his RIOT ideas. He also works in a highly site-specific manner. He really did the whole production from A to Z here in the Tresor. And he involved a circle of friends and all of our art handlers very closely in the project. So it was also kind of a social thing going on for the exhibition. Yeah, all in all, it was really a collective thing, which is, I think, well fitted in here in this exhibition gallery.
The production process starts from the research of furniture. The furniture or the object are actually very impersonal, but are still very familiar. They are not mass products, and they are at the same time objects. Everybody could say, "Oh, that was in my old flat," or "This I had it at my grandma," or whatever. Which object one society has to have? What is the design, what is the use which is done. So I was curious about this consumeristic attitude we are running with. And also I was fascinated by the violence, act of violence as protest. These objects had been then destroyed with the RIOT aesthetic. So I researched a lot on footage, which I connect with my memories of watching with my father the news on the TV and seeing what happened in Los Angeles or what happened afterwards in Genoa for the GG8. And I tried to apply this RIOT aesthetic with the tools that have been used to defend and to attack to the furniture, to the objects. Afterwards, coming back to a personal level, it's like the sin of having destroyed something. So normally you clean up afterwards, and this is the restoration process. But in the restoration process, where I bring back the object to functionality, I only use construction materials. These construction materials, which you can find in normal construction sites all over, are normally hidden by walls, but there are still products which are used and placed by workers. So I use these materials like a tribute to work and workers. So RIOT design is to destroy something to create something new which has more value.